Happy Easter, everyone! So tonight's dinner will be smoked ham with my homemade orange mustard sauce. We are just pairing it with mashed potato. It's garlic mashed potato and some sauteed corn. There you go, guys! Happy Easter! Kain tayo! So I am preparing dinner for tonight. I'm making this fish sandwich using ciabatta bread. And we got this roasted garlic and chili aioli. So this is just how I prepare my fish sandwich. You can put as many or as little as you want with the aioli. Spread it. You can also use cucumber. In this case, I'm just using lettuce. And then I am just gonna top it with the Alaskan pollock that we got from Costco. I baked this pollock in a 400-degree oven for 10 minutes on each side, and here is what it looks like. So this is what's for dinner tonight, my fish sandwich using ciabatta bread. There you go, guys. Kain tayo! So I am preparing dinner for tonight. This is one of Brazil's famous dishes. It's black bean and pork stew. So I just used canned black beans. I used leftover hot dogs, pork tenderloin, and chorizo, and then just mix it well with salt and pepper. So this is what's for dinner tonight. I made my feijoada, or the Brazilian black bean and pork stew. I'm just gonna pair it with quinoa and slices of cucumber. There you go, guys. This is what's for dinner. Kain tayo. So I am preparing what's for dinner tonight. These are just chicken sausages that I got from Costco. They are the mango and jalapeno chicken sausages. I am also boiling 2 cups of quinoa. And then I am also boiling some corn. These are frozen corn. And then later on, I'm gonna just slice some cucumber. And I am making just a simple sausage rice bowl. So this is what's for dinner tonight. This was the sausage that I was frying a while ago. This is my sausage rice bowl. I have the chicken, sausage, jalapeno and mango flavor. I have my boiled corn. I also added jarred artichokes and slices of cucumber. And then in the middle, I have my quinoa. There you go, guys. This is what's for dinner. Kain tayo. Okay, so right now I am browning my spicy Italian sausage. This is actually half of the 1 pack that I got from Superstore. The other half, I made it into last night's dinner, which was the sausage, pepper, and potato bake. I'm gonna use elbow macaroni here, or whatever pasta you have. And then I'm just gonna continue cooking my sausage. So this is our finished product, our Italian sausage pasta. This is ready for plating, and this is good for dinner tonight.